Hi, in this video we'll do a quick exercise where we plot these given points. Notice that we have a coordinate system. Relative to this coordinate system, which consists of this x-axis and y-axis, we would like to plot these points. Remember, A is a point whose name is this ordered pair 1, 3. How do we do that? We look at the x coordinate. That's 1. The first number is the x coordinate, and that one we first look for that number 1 on the x-axis, and through that number 1 we draw a vertical line or a line that's parallel to the y-axis. And similarly, that second number, the y coordinate, which is 3, we'll find that number on the y-axis, and it's right here. Through that number we will draw a horizontal line. Where those two lines meet is this specific point, and I will label it now as A1, 3. This is exactly reversing what we did in the last video, meaning if we looked at this point and we asked ourselves what are that point's coordinates, then we said, well, we draw a vertical line through that point. Let that line intersect the x-axis. See the number? That number is the x coordinate. We draw a horizontal line through that point. Let that horizontal line meet the y-axis, and the number you see there, 3, becomes the y coordinate, 3. So everything works out if you follow this procedure. So let's plot the other points in a similar manner. So to plot B, whose coordinates are 3, 1, this is what we do. We look at that first number 3, which is the x coordinate, and that number we look for it on the x-axis. And the second number y, the y coordinate, we look for it on the y-axis. Through this x coordinate, we visualize a vertical line. Through this y coordinate, we visualize a horizontal line. And where do those vertical and horizontal lines meet? They would meet here. Feel free to draw the vertical and horizontal lines, or perhaps you're most likely going to do this exercise on a grid paper, so lines will already be drawn for you. So this point is B. The ordered pair 3, 1 are the coordinates of this point. You might want to double check by looking at this point, dropping a vertical line through it, and seeing where does it meet the x-axis at 3. There is your 3. Draw a horizontal line and let that line meet the y-axis. What's that number there? 1, and there's your 1. So that's how we do that. And now let's look at C. Where is C? X coordinate is 5, so we look for that 5 here. 0, we look for that number there. So through 5 we draw a vertical line. Through 0 we draw a horizontal line. Where do they meet? They meet exactly here. So this point's coordinates are 5, 0. Do a similar exercise and you'll see that this point is D, or 0, 2. So that's how we plot points. Remember, these ordered pairs are names of those points relative to this coordinate system that we have set up. Thank you.